Welcome students. Our today's topic is HCF and LCM. So what is HCF? Highest common factor, and LCM is lowest common multiple, lowest or least. Some people call it as least common multiple. So we are going to see these two concepts in today's video. So our today's 10-point agenda is: what is HCF, what is the use of HCF in mathematics, why everyone should know about HCF, how to calculate HCF, how to use HCF in mathematical problems. These are the 5 points related to HCF. LCM. What is LCM? Why it is used in mathematics? Why everyone should know about LCM? Where it is used? How to calculate and use LCM. So before starting our first point, we need to revise a few concepts. Factor versus multiple. So what is factor? What is multiple? Then prime numbers. We know which are the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. These are the prime numbers. Why they are called prime numbers? Because 2 cannot get factorized further. So we cannot further reduce 2, right? Similarly 3, 5, 7, 11. So these concepts we know, we have learned in previous classes. So we know that a table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, right? 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12 and so on up to 20. So this table we have learned in maybe first standard or maybe before first standard as well. So we need to understand what is the concept of factor and what is multiple. So in table of 2, these 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on, these are called multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Why they are called multiples of 2? Because if I multiply 2 by 2, 4 comes, right? That's why 4 is there. If I multiply 2 by 3, then 6 comes. If I multiply 2 by 4, then 8 comes. So in this way this table goes on up to 20 and beyond 20 as well. So these are the multiple of 2. See, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So this is 2 is common here and this is increasing by 1, 1, 1, right? So 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. So this we learn in first standard as well. So that's why it is called multiple of 2. So 2 is a prime number we have seen, and rest of the numbers are multiples of 2, right? So this is called multiple. So you understood the concept multiple. Now about the factor. So what is the meaning of factor? Take an example 6. If I ask you just give me factors of 6, so you will give 3 twos are 6 or 2 threes are 6. So 3 and 2 or 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Why? Because in the table of 3 6 is there, the table of 2 6 is there. So 3 into 2 are the factors of 6. If I ask you give the factors of 8, then how it would be? 2 into 2 into 2, or you can write 4 into 2, right? So these are 4 and 2 are the factors of 8, or 2, 2 and 2, these 2 are the factors of the 8. There are 3 2's, 1, 2, 3, 3 2's are there. So these are the factor of 8 because 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Similarly 4 2's are 8. So these are the factors of the 8. Factors means the small part from which that number is made of, right? 8 is made of from this 3 2. After multiplying these 3 times 2 with each other, 8 comes, or 8 is made of 4 into 2, multiplication of 4 and 2, right? So these are called factors. So you understood what is factors and what are the multiples, right? So these terms we are going to use in LCM and HCF. That's why HCF is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. So in HCF we have to find out common factor, and in LCM we have to find out common multiple, right? So remember these concepts while learning HCF and LCM. So first point is, what is HCF? HCF is nothing but it's a short form or abbreviation of highest common factor. So we need to find out common factor which is highest, right? So that is HCF. Now what is the use of HCF? Why we should know about it? Why should I learn it, right? That may be a question in front of you as a student that I am going to answer. So after completion of high school studies, you will opt for different streams. Some people will go in science, some will go in arts, some will go in commerce, or some will go in different fields like law and other fields, or some might go into film and television as well, right? Or designing or something. So many options are there in front of you. So in each field you will come across HCF. Mark my words, in each field you will come across HCF. How? Suppose you are a software engineer, right? You are going to become a software engineer. In that you need to solve different, you need to write different algorithms. Algorithm is nothing but instructions or input to software program. In those algorithms you need to use HCF. So while designing those algorithms, HCF is used. Recently Python or machine learning are the very popular words, right? Popular languages. So those are giving inputs to the machines. You might have heard word AI, artificial intelligence. For that machine learning, ML is required, right? So for determining or designing those programs, HCF is one of the most important concept. So you should know about HCF if you are going to become a software engineer. Then in the field of film and television, right? In that also HCF is used. How? You are filming on a documentary or a feature film and you are taking series of shots. Like I am right now filming, so I am taking series of shots. So out of those shots, which shots are important, right? Which shots are common? So you need to find out LCM of those shots. See, if video is maybe a 15 or 20 minutes long, then shots are less. But for filming a feature film or a movie of 3 hours, you need to take thousands of shots. Out of that you need to find out which are the common or the factors which are the common. For those calculations normally HCF is used. In case of designing, if you are designing certain patterns, suppose you are a designer of unique design, and in that design there are certain common parameters you are using, right? So finding out those common parameters or common factors, you need to learn or you need to know about HCF. So there are various fields, various applications of HCF. So definitely you must know about it, though you are planning to go in any field, though it is in medical, though it is in mathematics or any other field. So HCF is a must have concept. So everybody should learn about HCF and LCM. So in high school there is a chapter called ratios where you are going to use HCF. Then fraction is one of the important concept in mathematics. In that also HCF is used. Time and distance problems or sums, there also you can use this HCF. So we answered two questions: what is the use of HCF and why we should know about it, right? Now how to calculate HCF. So for calculation of HCF you need two numbers you need. So we need to find out HCF of 16 and 36. For finding out HCF, at least two numbers required. For one number we cannot find out HCF because HCF is nothing but the common factor. For taking common, at least two numbers should be there. So our example is 16 and 36. We need to find out HCF of these two numbers. So the basic method is just factorize 16. So we learn in previous classes how to factorize 16. So just find out, just take here the lowest number in number system. We know that 1 is the lowest number, but 1 normally we don't take. So we will take another number, that is 2. Check 16 is divisible by 2 or not. So here 6 is even, last digit is even. So that is the divisibility test for 2. So if last digit is even, it means that this number is divisible by 2. So I can divide 16 by 2. 2 8s are 16. Again I can divide 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 4 2s we have got here. 2 2 2 2. So I can write these 4 2s here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So these are the factors of 16. We can call it prime factors as well because 2 is a prime number, correct? Then for 36 we can do the same. 2 is, I can take start from 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right? So 9 is not divisible by 2. So I have taken another number, next number, that is 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3. So 36 can factorize like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 36. So these are also prime factors because 2 and 3 are primes. These are the prime number 2 and 3. So now for HCF, what is the method? So we have to take common factor, right? So these are the factors and we have to see which are the common. So common is 2 here. So this is the first common, right? So I can write 2 here. So for these two common I can write only 1 2 here. Okay. Then another 2, these are the next common, 2 2. So I can write another 2. Then 2 is not there, here 2 is there, but in this 2 is not there, right? In 36 3 is there, but in 16 3 is not there. So no common is there, right? No common factor apart from these two 2's. So okay, so we got 2 2's, 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So HCF of 16 and 36 is 4. This is how HCF is calculated. This is the very basic method. Now we will learn what is the advanced method to calculate HCF. So now advanced method to calculate HCF of 16 and 36 is very simple. So what you have to do? You have to write 16 like this and 36 like this, and then you have to mark two lines like this. Then again you have to find a number, a common number which will divide both the numbers. So I will start from 2. So 2, whether this 2 can divide 16 and 36. So what is the divisibility test for 2? Last digit should be even. So here last digit is 6, which is even. Here also 6, which is even. So yes, we can divide 16 and 36 by 2. right? By the way, if you are not aware of divisibility test or divisibility rules, then we have a separate video on that, in which divisibility rules or tests are explained in detailed way. So just click I button here, you will see I button here, just click I button and you will find that video, or I will give a link of that particular video in description box. You can click that link and check out that video. So I would suggest just watch that video first and come back to this video again, so you will understand how we are going to divide or every number with the help of divisibility rule or test. Okay, so coming back to the topic, 2 can divide these two numbers. So 2 8s are 16, and here 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. How I got 18? If I do division like this, 36 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1, 2 8s are 16, right? So I am just writing quotient here. This is quotient, right? We know that this 18, this number is called quotient. The number which is above this line is quotient. So we are writing just quotient here. See, here also we are writing quotient. So you need to practice this. So after doing practice, eventually you will learn that how to write this number. So 2 1s are 2. So 3, I can write 2 here like this. 1 balance, so I can write 1 here. Again 16 is there, 2 8s are 16. So without doing this, you can directly calculate this 18. Okay, so 2 can divide 16 and 36 and came 8 and 18. Again we need to find a number which will divide these two numbers. I will start from 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. I found 4 and 9. Again I need to find a number which will divide these two numbers. So if I start from 2, 2 will divide this 4, yes it will divide, but 2 will not divide this 9, because 9 is odd number and it is not divisible by 2. So 9 we can have another number to divide this 9, which is 3. 3 3s are 9, but 3 will not divide 4. So 4 is not divisible by 3 because 4 is even number. So in table of 3, 4 is not there. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 is not there. So 3 is also not our number. So can you find out any other number? No, there is no number which will divide 4 and 9 simultaneously. So our answer is 2 and 2 only. So I can write HCF is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. See, the same HCF came. So in previous method, which is elementary method, basic method, we also obtain the same value, HCF as a 4, and in advanced HCF method we also found 4 as HCF. So now in higher classes you have to follow this HCF method only. So this is the easiest way to find HCF. Take another example, 81 and 27. So we need to find out HCF of 81 and 27. So what is our method? So we need to write 81 here and 27 here, and then we need to draw these two lines. Then you need to find a number which can divide both the numbers 81 and 27. If I start from 2, we know the divisibility test for 2, last digit should be even. Even is there? No. So 2 is not our number. So which one is there? So next is 3. For 3, divisibility test is just add these two digits, 8 plus 1, 9, and see if 9 is in the table of 3 or not. Yes, 3 3 is a 9. So yes, 81 is divisible by 3. Again 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. So we can divide 81 and 27 by 3. So 3 is our number, first number. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, then 3 9s are 27. Again 27 is there, so we know that 3 is the number. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now 27 series end and it has 1 at the end. Here 81 last is 3. So if I take 3 here, 3 can divide this 3, but here 1 came, so no number is there, it's just 1. So we cannot divide 1 by 3 because exact division will not happen. So this 3 will not come here. So only we got 3 3s, right? So this is our answer. So HCF is 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 is HCF. So highest common factor is 27 for this 81 and 27. Correct? Some people will say that I can do like this as well. 81 27. So I will directly divide by 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 3s are 27. Right? And then I will divide by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And HCF is 9 into 3, 27. So this is also correct method, right? Only you need to find out a common factor which will divide this both the number. So here 9 is the common factor, that is correct, and here 3 is the common factor. So this is also a correct method. Only difference between this and this is that this is prime factorization and it is just a factorizations, because here all the factors are prime. 3 is a prime number, and here these factors are not prime. 9 is not a prime number because 9 can further factorize 3 into 3. So 9 is not a prime factor, but you can get HCF from this method as well. So you can use this as well, you can use this as well, right? Both are the correct method. Got it? LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple. So what is LCM? LCM is a short form or abbreviation of lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Why it is used and where it is used and why should I learn it, right? These are the questions may come in your mind while learning LCM. So like HCF, the use of LCMs are there, a lot of uses are there. As I told you, in high school itself you have chapters like ratios, fractions, time and distance, right? For solving those kind of questions or sums, you need to learn, you need to aware of LCM. Apart from that, when you go for different higher studies like in engineering, in computer science, for developing algorithm, you need to know about LCM. I mentioned that machine learning, AI, all those things. In that, LCM is one of the important aspect which every engineer should be aware of. Then if you go for music industry like music and rhythms, so while writing notes of music or rhythm, LCM is useful. Then in chemistry as well, for balancing equations, you need to know about LCM. Then in electrical engineering, so finding out the frequencies of alternating current, LCM is used. This is one of the example, but in many cases in electrical engineering, LCM is used. So any field, if you go in any field, LCM is there. So LCM is very important concept, very useful in various fields. So I would suggest everybody should be aware of LCM, how to calculate it. So let's learn how to calculate it. Take an example, same 16 and 36. So I need to calculate LCM of 16 and 36. Similar to HCF, for calculation of LCM, we need at least two numbers. So here 16 and 36 are the two numbers. So I need to calculate LCM of 16 and 36. So how to calculate it? So I will write 16 and 36 like this. So I will find first number which will divide both the numbers. So I will start from 2. So 2, divisibility test for 2, this should be even, last number, last digits. So 6 is even, so it is divisible by 2. Last digit is 6, so 36 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, 18. Right? We know that 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again, it will divide by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. So now here little bit difference is there from HCF in HCF and LCM. So our HCF stops here, right? So 2 2s are 4 is the HCF, we have seen that. But LCM will not stop here. So what LCM rule says, you need to find out a number which will divide at least one number. So if I found 2, 2 will divide 4, right? So 2 2s are 4, but 2 will not divide 9. So in LCM it's okay. If you are dividing only one number, then also okay. So you just do division. So I will take 2, 2 2s are 4, comma. I know that I cannot divide 9 by 2, right? Because in table of 2, 9 is not there. So I will keep 9 as it is. This is the rule of LCM. So you need to remember this. This is the difference between HCF and LCM. So you need to find a number which will divide at least one number out of these two. So I found 2 which will divide 4. So 2 2s are 4. I know that 9 is not divisible by 2. So I will keep 9 as it is in below step. Okay. Again I will repeat the process. I will find out a number which will divide at least one number. So 2 is there. So 2 1s are 2. 2 will not divide 9. So 9 I will keep as it is. Right. So now I got 1 here and last is 9. Right. So I will divide 9 by 9 directly. 9 1s are 9. Okay. So I can also start dividing by 3, but it will come 3 3 3 again. So instead of this doing 3, I will directly divide by 9, because only one number is left and I can divide 9 by 9, right? So 9 1s are 9. So what is my aim here? I need to get 1 1 at last, at the end. That is my aim, right? I got 1 1 at the end. So these are the numbers which we got. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 9, right? So 4 times 2, 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 9. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so 4 into 4 into 9, 4 4s are 16 into 9, and 16 into 9 is 144. So LCM is 144. So this is lowest common multiple. So multiple will be always greater, because multiple we know that in table of 2, 2 is a number, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So 4, 6, 8 and 10 are the multiples of 2. So those are greater than 2. So always multiple is bigger number and HCF is smaller number. So you need to remember this difference. So 144 is the answer, LCM of 16 and 36. So take another example. I need to find out LCM of 3 numbers. One is 18, another is 32 and third one is 40. You can find out LCM of any numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 10 numbers, 100 numbers, right? So method is same. So finding out LCM, you need to write down like this: 18, 32, 40. Same method is there. You need to do this arrangement. you need to find out a number which is common in all three, which will divide all three. So I will start from 2. 2 is there. So 2 9s are 18. I know that 2 can divide 18 because 8 is even number. So 18, 2 9s are 18. Similarly, I know that 2 can divide 32 because 2 is even number. So 32 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Here 2 2s are 4, 0. This is our first step. Again we need to find a number which will divide all these three. So here 9 came and here 16 and 20. 16 is even number, this is also even number, this is odd. So 2 will not divide 9, but 2 will divide 16 and 20, right? We will check another number 3. If I take 3 here, 3 will divide 9, but 3 will not divide 16 and 20 as well. So what to do? There is no number which will divide all these three. No problem, in LCM it is allowed. If you are able to divide at least 2 number or 1 number, then also okay, it's okay. So I will start with 2 again. So 2, 9 is not divisible by 2, so I will keep 9 as it is, right? This is crucial step. If you cannot divide any number, you have to keep that number as it is. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 10s are 20. Again 9 came and 8 and 10 came, so I can divide by 2. 9 I will keep as it is. 2 4s are 8, right? 2 5s are 10. Now interestingly 3 different numbers came. So if I take 2 here, I can divide this 4 only. If I take 3 here, I can divide 9 only. If I take 5 here, so I can divide 5 only, right? 3 different numbers came. So what to do? So shortcut method is that I will divide by 9 itself. 9 1s are 9, 4 5, right? So 1 is there. This is our aim. We should bring 1 at the last step. Then 4 and 5 are balanced now. So I will divide by 4. 4 1s are 4, 5 as it is, and then 5 1s are 5. So all 3 1 came here, right? So everywhere 1 came. So that is our aim. So what is the answer? This is the answer. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 9 into 4 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 9 into 4 into 5. So 8 into 4 5s are 20, 9 into 20, 9 2s are 18, so 8 into 180, right? And if I multiply 8 and 18, 0, 8 8 is a 64, 6, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 6, 14. So 1440 is the LCM. As I told you, LCM always a bigger number, right? So 1440 is the LCM of 18, 32 and 40. This is the answer. So you got the concept of LCM. LCM is nothing but lowest common multiple. So this is the multiple 1440, 1440. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about LCM and HCF. I hope you learn the concept, both the concept. These are very basic concept, but these are very important concept as well. So you can use this LCM and HCF in various applications which I told you. If you like my teaching, then please like this video, subscribe my channel. We are uploading very interesting and useful videos for you. If you subscribe this channel, then you will get notification of new video, and those interesting video will be available for you. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefited from this video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.